everybody, it's me again, back with some more photos. We shall zoom in on a photo here. Of, I believe, probably the Spirit rover. Zoom out, excuse me. Showed you before, there's the sun. And look at that. Nice puffy white clouds floating by. An atmosphere that's only supposed to be 1% of Earth's. I don't see how this is possible, or even how bright it is. Look how bright it is. It should be a black sky. And there shouldn't be big puffy nice, those look like clouds here on a stormy day. So, NASA's definitely not telling us the truth on everything. Here we go again. A shot from the Phoenix lander that the NASA will say is a false color image. Interesting here. It looks like a skull. Right there. Let's keep going. Highly developed weather systems here. These are false color images, obviously. We got clouds here. And of course, a great big gigantuan donut. Homer Simpson would like that. Donut. Now, here we got the North Pole in the springtime. That sea of water seems to be frozen over, and here we have weather systems. Very large weather systems. And of course, you saw the snow cap before. For it to grow like that, it has to precipitate, which means it snows. What looks like a broken piece of dinnerware. Interesting, huh? Let's go back one image here. This is part of what they call Inca City. And it's hard to tell really what it is, but it looks like it could be possibly ancient ruins from a long ago past, which I could get into what I believe that long ago past was. Same thing that's going on today. Colonization. It appears you have these dark areas. It appears to be some small bodies of water and maybe trees or vegetation down in the courtyards there. It's hard to tell, really. Okay, we just looked at that one. Now we got the famous face. I've seen many pictures of the face from different angles, and it always looks the same. For the most part, it's a stinking face. It's not a figment of anybody's imagination. It's part of that ancient past I was just talking about. And it looks very Egyptian-like, very much like ruins you'd see on the earth. Something similar. And I've seen some pretty detailed examinations, how the nose is the highest point, you get the parted lips, the two eyes, the sockets. In fact, in some of these pictures they have of the face here, you can see the irises. It's got a headdress, though in some pictures that I see of it, it looks like maybe that shockwave I told you about the impact came through this way and kind of, can't tell here because of the shadow, but kind of destroyed part of the face on one side. Let's back out a little bit. And here we got European Space Agency photo. What they say is carbon dioxide jets, but come on, please, you can't see carbon dioxide unless it's frozen snow. You don't see the jets. These things are casting shadows on the ground, and they have light absorbing albedo, so, you know, sort of like vegetation does, you know, or actually vegetation does sort of about it. Let's skip. Here's the North Pole in summertime. As you saw before, the one in the springtime, this was all covered in snow, and here it is in the summer, with large glaciers still permanent left over. So, to me, volcanic sand dunes? Okay, come on. Where's the volcano? I see a big ice cap. You know? You know what's funny? Look at the side profile here. Kind of looks like Mr. Magoo. Here's his closed eye, and his big nose, and his flat head. Right here. And his mouth. He's Mr. Magoo, man. Magoo on Mars. Cool. Part of the sea. Anyway, that'll end this transmission. The music is over, and I don't want it to be too long. And there's one last photo blend off. Lakes and woods on Mars. Kind of looks like where I go camping. Anyway, transmission out.